In this video, we're going to continue drawing our series circuit. So in the previous video, we showed you how to draw a resistor and create a block for that resistor. So now we're going to put two more resistors in our circuit. First, we're going to draw us a line from our existing resistors. We're going to click on the line. We're going to bring our cursor down to where we see our box, and it's going to be the endpoint of the resistor that we've already drawn. We're going to click on that endpoint, and then we're going to move our mouse in the polar direction. Then we're going to type in 1 just for 1 inch and hit enter. So that's going to make us a line 1 inch in the horizontal plane. We're going to move our cursor down to where it's 90 degrees, and then we're going to type in 1 again. That's going to give us another 1 inch line, and that will make our even spaces between our two resistors. So we'll go over 1 inch and down 1 inch from our previous resistor. And then we have to hit escape to discontinue our line drawing. So now, instead of drawing another resistor here for R2, all we have to do is go to our insert, and we're going to insert the block that we just made. So we're going to insert our resistor that we just made. And we selected the endpoint of the resistor. So now the resistor is following our cursor. So if we move our cursor to the line that we just created, the endpoint of that line, when we click, we'll put our resistor at that endpoint. But we notice our resistor has the wrong orientation. We need to rotate this resistor 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. So we will click on the resistor and select it, and then we'll come up to the top to modify, and we're going to select rotate. So we're going to click rotate. It has already been selected that we're going to rotate this, so now it's looking for a base point for us to rotate from. And we're going to rotate our resistor from the end point of the resistor that we made. We'll click that, and we notice as we move our mouse, it will follow the resistor as we rotate it. And we can rotate it on any angle that we would like, but we would like to do it 90 degrees, so we just move our cursor till it goes 90 degrees, and we'll click, and that moves our resistor to 90 degrees. Now we're going to add a couple more lines, so we're going to click the line. We're going to add a line down another inch. So we'll type in 1, and then we're going to come over another inch. And then that should line us up with our resistor that we made at the beginning. So we're going to click escape, and that's going to remove our line. Hit insert again, click the resistor. This time we're just going to put the resistor out in space somewhere for now. And then we're going to select it, and then we're going to type in move. So now we're going to move our resistor. We're going to choose the other endpoint, and copy that, and then move it down to where our existing line was. And then we'll finish out our circuit by adding a line that goes to 1 inch in this direction. And then we're going to come down another inch in this direction. We're going to hit escape, and then we're going to draw a line from the endpoint of that resistor 1 inch and then up 1 inch. And in the next video, we will show you how to draw a battery. We'll make a battery block that we want to draw our battery each time. We'll put us a battery block, a voltage source in our circuit for the next video.